want to let everybody know we have going to be doing a great cruise tonight. Everybody be safe. We do have somebody that's going to be coming out with us, Tom here, with a network that's going to be filming all of us. Before we get him up here, we're going to go ahead and cruise down all the way down to Fremont Street, make a right, and go down to across from Atomic Liquor. It's a better parking lot. There's more lights. They want to film all our cars and get some interviews with people, different people with their cars and stuff. This will be on TV. Tom, going to come up and kind of announce exactly what we're doing.
What we're going to be doing is a show that's called Driven. It's on Your View. You got Cox Cable. It's Cox Cable, Cox Communications, Your View. The show's called Driven. It's for car lovers of all types. And what we want you guys to do tonight, just be loud, be proud, and let's light up that strip! Let's light up that strip! Let's turn some heads! Come on! Ready?
There you go. Let's do it.
Let's go do it!
All right, guys. You guys all ready to go?
Let's go!
Let's do it. All right.
us tonight for a special reason, and you've got a new show coming out that the car guys are all going to want to watch. So
Car guys, car gals, backseat drivers. Heck, if you've ever been in a car, you want to watch the show. It's called Driven. It'll be on Your View, nationwide Your View on Cox Communication. Plus, there'll be a big social blitz, and you'll be able to see all that stuff on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. But it's car stories. It's about the people that love the cars, the roads that you want to take your car on. We're not doing reviews about the new 2019 Buy Consumer Guide. Figure that out. We're talking about the cars that, you end up loving, and why you love an automobile. Man, it could be a 1972 Gremlin. It might be the very first car you ever got in, and that's the car you love. And that's fine. Those are the stories we're going to be telling.
And that's the thing is, every car does have a story. Yeah. Truly, it doesn't
Any
matter.
good car has a story.
Yeah, and some bad cars have a story just because it's funny how they ended up with that, car.
Exactly.
So whenever you get ready to get your social media out, I want to make sure y'all are going to contact me. I'll be putting it out through our Facebook page, through the Off the Jacks Facebook page. And you guys will want to tune in, for one, to see the Las Vegas guys out with their cars.
You'll be able to see the shock look in my face that you were able to actually do this in public on a street. To me, it was just totally amazing. It was so Vegas,
People come here for a show, and I think we gave them one.